Hey guys, Nickar6 here. Today I'm going to show you how to wager $3,000 with a $20 balance and hopefully get rain. So we're going to be wagering on dice. We're going to go ahead and go to auto bet, and we're going to make sure our conditions are on every 2 bets we're going to switch over under, and a loss greater than or equal to 5 we're going to stop the auto bet. Also, to see this we have to go to profit condition. After that we're going to go ahead and set up the dice. And we're going to make sure we take off animations and do instant bet, and then we're going to start. After we reach our stop loss, the auto bet stops and we're going to go ahead to roulette. The roulette strategy is that we're going to wait for any given dozen to hit 4 times in a row, and what we're going to do is go ahead and bet the other 2 dozens to hit. Notice that we're not using all our balance. We have to put a very low amount, and we're going to bet this 2 times in a row. Once we recover the 5, we're going to go back to dice and wager. We will also increase the size of the bet by 0.10 every time we go back to dice. Another strategy we can use is on baccarat when we have a player and banker back and forth run around 6 to 7 times, and we're going to go ahead this time and bet on banker. In this case our bet lost, so we're going to increase the bet size, taking into account that we have a low balance, but normally we do this with a bigger balance. We can also claim rakeback during this so that we have extra money to wager. Well, there you have it, $3,000 wagered, which is $20. Now you're eligible to receive rain, and I hope this increased your VIP level. This is one of my best wager strategies, and I normally do this with bigger balance, so it's definitely worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.